Hey Pectus Warriors, in today's video I'm going to show you an awesome exercise, especially if you're more of a beginner or you're training from home, for pectus. Now for pectus, we got a really important muscle to build, the chest, super important. But another muscle that's really important to build is the glutes, okay? Biggest muscle in our body, also an underactive, not developed glute is going to contribute to anterior pelvic tilt, which most people with pectus seem to have. It's making your pot belly and your rib flare look worse. So we're developing our glutes and our chest at the same with this exercise. What it is it's the floor press glute bridge. So from here, we're going to go into a glute bridge, which is where we're on the floor like this, glutes active, but we're going to incorporate an element pressing dumbbells for our chest at the same time. It's a little bit awkward to get into the position, but once you're in it, so you got the dumbbells up, get the glute bridge going, and then we're just going to press. So it's a great exercise if you're, early on, getting two birds with one stone, posture and muscle building. So just pressing nice and slow, controlled tempo. Feeling the chest engage, holding the glute bridge, feeling the glutes engage. So if you're on the program, doing it for the prescribed rep range and adhering, choosing a weight for the prescribed RPE. If you're online, or if you're watching this on YouTube, then sign up to the program so you can get prescribed programming. Or I'd probably recommend, 3 to 4 sets is typical what I program for my clients, and a rep range ranging anywhere from like 6 to 20. But for this exercise, probably being in the 8 to 20 rep range would be good. There's different times to implement different rep ranges. But anyway, this is the dumbbell floor chest press. Thanks for watching the video. If you're not signed up, you're watching this on YouTube, then I'd highly recommend signing up to my coaching, my programming. You'll get a program that's proven to work. So if you want to fix your pectus as soon as possible, link is in the description. Sign up for that. Peace, guys.